So here's our 2016 Ford B-Max Zetec. It's the 1.5 diesel. Great little compact MPVs these are, with the sliding rear doors in a gorgeous metallic grey colour as well, this one. Got very low running costs, zero road tax. This particular one has got a good service history. It will be serviced again prior to collection. It's had only 2 owners from new. It will have a brand new MOT. Also comes with 2 keys. In terms of spec, it's got the city pack on this one, so it's got the rear parking sensors and electric folding door mirrors. Also DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, air conditioning, CD player, USB and aux connections, LED daytime running lights, just to name a few. As you can see, the door setup means that there's no pillar in between, so great practical cars. Condition of the interior is very good as well. It's covered 53,000 miles. If you want to know any more details about this one, give us a call, 01332 872 444. Visit our website, see what our customers have to say. Thank you very much.